Hello, friends. We always want something heroic for our little boys, and they are born heroes. They want something heroic type in their room. So, we try to collect some mesmerizing ideas which can guide you how you can decorate your room and the items you can use easily for decorating their rooms. You can use lamps printed with marble characters. There can be little huts or houses which can be used as marble home. Alphabets of the names of cats can be printed with marble characters. Marble character can be shaped in wooden wall hangings. There are some DIY ideas too that can be inexpensive and affordable. These are like painting or pasting stickers of marble in action on your cabinets and your walls. This can be done on the walls too. Wall paneling is also a beautiful idea. Wall hanging lights in form of marble characters to give a real effect of their presence in the room. These lights give a real effect of hero present in the room. Hero characters, different hero characters can be used for light patterns in a collage in the room. Little frames made of paper or cardboard too can be used in the room as marble characters shown on them. Closets and side tables can be painted and pasted with the stickers of the heroes. Hero characters can be put on the side table, and some of the hero characters can be used as the knobs of the drawers or closet. Some beautiful bunk beds can be used. Same in spiderweb as a Spider-Man's home and Spider-Man's huts. The beautiful rugs to add a colorful variety of marbles, colors, and ideas in the room. Cushions too are the great idea, but pictures of the heroes with faces of your kids in the room will just make kids think like heroes and they will be very happy to see themselves as heroes. Some costumes of marbles in the room, hanging in the room or in the playroom, can be attractive to kids and they can make them happy. And so there can be a special place for the hanging costumes of marbles. Some marbles printed lamps, side lamps, are an amazing addition to the room. Marbles printed quilts, marbles printed chairs, and cushions are an amazing addition to your home. These characters on the wall give a beautiful look to the room, and these characters on the fan play an additional role to make look heroic and super board for a superhero to look in, some curtains and Marvel characters and quilts and cushions. So your superhero can sleep on hero's bed and can wear on heroes. There can be found some superhero bins in which you can keep the toys of the kids. They will add up to the idea of creating the room in Marvel characters form. So it will be a complete package of making your room fan and room light also in the Marvel characters form. Some sitting chairs can also be decorated with Marvel's characters. My dear friends, this channel works to collect ideas for you, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so we can work in future too on these ideas and we can collect for you and make things easy for you. Please give it a thumbs up, share this video, watch it till the end and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.